Meet Ali, a beginner in Excel. He wants to rank these students based on their scores. He tries to assign ranks one by one, looking at each score and writing ranks himself. Slow, boring, and full of mistakes. By the time he finishes a small list, he's already exhausted. Imagine if he had 100 names. Now let's see how a pro does it, using the rank formula. Rank the value in column C within the whole column C in descending order. And boom, Excel does all the work instantly. The highest score gets rank 1, the next highest gets 2, and so on. No stress, no mistakes. Manual versus formula. Clearly, formula wins every time. So, next time you need ranking, don't struggle like a noob. Just use rank and save hours of work.